Hi, it's me, John Behrens from Skills for Teams, and I'm here on the beach on Fehmarn in Schleswig-Holstein in Germany, and I would like to tell you something about Cynefin today. Cynefin is a framework developed by Dave Snowden, and we can categorize problems and projects into 4 fields. And I got a 5-minute time box on this video because the sun is setting down and I want to have some nice light while finishing. So we have 4 frames for our problems. The first one is simple. Simple are problems which could be solved easier, where we know everything and there are no surprises inside, and we can define it by default stuff. For example, like putting this, we call it Strandkörbe, it's a basket for the beach, a beach seat. On the beach is a simple problem. They just need to put them on wagons and drive them here, and need some people carry them. So that's the easy one. Or giving out coffee at Starbucks is an easy problem as well. You can best solve it with predefined processes. So it's the same thing, and you can predefine a process and implement and optimize it. The next box is complicated problems. That means something which is complicated. You have to consider a lot of different factors, but actually you know any of them, and it's in a field where you work for a longer time. For example, building a huge ship is some implemented engineer's craft. It's nothing surprising, and something which has been done a lot before, but it even has to consider a lot of parts. So if you see the Meyer Werft in Papenburg, for example, they built a lot of ships, and there are a lot of different parts to fulfill. So you still need a good plan, you still need a lot of different people working on it and being coordinated together, but actually the most stuff is previously defined. And complicated differs from complex one. I wrote it with a K, but the English correct one is with a C, but C's were out. Complex problems are problems where you don't know anything. So there are unknown things, a lot of unknown things, which you need to sort out, and there's no clear answer at any time. So sometimes you have to make maybe 2 or 3 or 4 different proposals which what should work, and you need to sort it out. So you need to enable experiments, you need to enable feedback cycles, so you need to get fast feedback. And that field is the best field for Agile methods. You can use them to implement fast feedback cycles, to keep iterations short, and to react to respond to change. So Agile methods are best in the complex problem field. The other one, the next one, is chaos. And chaos means things happen you cannot influence, and things happen you cannot know. So maybe to go on a foreign planet with some new artificial or some new race with aliens on, that would be a chaos problem. You cannot see anything, you don't know anything about it. Any catastrophe is a chaos problem, so you don't know what happens, you don't know what you need to do. And in chaos, you cannot work with plans, so your plan is always destroyed in a chaos environment very fast. You need to react before you can analyze. So you need a process system which could help you to implement drills to react really fast on changes which occur. You need to be played in, and you need to have experts which could really work with inside the chaos. What we want in project management is to avoid chaos. So we want something what is predictable, so nobody occurs with certain stuff. But sometimes, for example, in IT we have catastrophes as well. We need to work in chaos mode, and the best for working there is having implemented processes where you can have a look on, and not a complete process, but implemented behavior to have a look on and set new reactions. So that was the Cynefin Framework. I hope it could help you out a bit, and I hope you understand it a bit. Our time box runs over now. And yeah, the sun is going down as well. I hope I will see you next video and you're gonna like my channel. See you next time. Bye.